Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Shopify free month trial for 3 months. So you want to go to this link over here. Don't worry, I will list this in the description down below. So all you need to do is just enter your email address. So for example, I will start my free trial here. And I'm just going to skip this. And I'm just going to sign in with Google here. Wait for that to load. And as you can see, you just log into your password here. And just click on Remind Me Later. And as you can see, you're taken to this one. So all you need to do is just click on this one. Skip, I'll decide later. Now, from this website, you can get your Shopify for just $1 to get the premium. So if you do decide to pay, you can just pay $1 for 3 months. And it's very cheap. However, if you want to still get the free version, so you can have this up to 3 months in your free version. And yeah, that is basically it. You're taken to this one. You can start it from here. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.